Hello everyone, this is my response to student thinking. And these are students who are in an 8th grade class who have just learned about a reflection, a rotation, and a translation. And their task for this is to, they are independently working on rotations of a flag around a point. That's seen right there. And I observe what they're doing, and I'm giving feedback to them and asking them questions about what they're doing. So I'm going to look at student 1 first. And I see that student 1 is doing a great job of realizing that a rotation is going counterclockwise around this point. And so I think that they did a really good job of recognizing that, and I could point that out. Some critiques I would have is that I think they translated it to the center point instead of around it. And so I might ask, like, does a rotation preserve the distance from the point? So, like, if you have a circle and you could draw a circle around that point with the radius of the point of the flag, like, does the circle shrink, or do you have to keep the circle's integrity? And then if they answered yes, I might ask, like, does a transformation preserve distance, or how far away is the vertex from the flag? So how far away is this point from the flag? And so I'd ask them those questions and ask them, like, about the angles between the two vertices and things like that. And so I'd ask them those questions. And moving on to student 2 now. I noticed that they did a great job, from what it looks like, of rotating this flag around this point in the counterclockwise direction, but I can't be sure because they don't have any grid lines. And so this first student does have grid lines, so you can see exactly what they're doing. And this one just kind of looks like a guesstimate. It looks like they did a really good job of guesstimating it, but it appears that they might not be precise, and in math we like things to be precise. And so I guess as they measured with the ruler and with the protractor and things like that. But I think I would ask, like, how they came to this conclusion of this is where the flag should be, and have them go through that process. And I would also ask, like, how can we be for sure that the angles are the same, or, like, what angle are they making here? And then how can I confirm that the distance from the center to O, or to this point, the vertex of this point, and from the center to this point are the same? And then I would also use, like, what method did you use to rotate your flags, or things like that. And then I'd ask if they could add anything to their diagram, something like that, to get them thinking, like, oh, maybe I should add some, like, ways for people to know, like, how exact my distances are, or things like that. And I might also ask them to collaborate and see what they could do together, like how